So you're all happy you've just fitted your nice new sanding disc, and you turn it on, do a little bit of sanding. Doesn't take very long and it's all clogged up. Well, that's a blow. Never mind. Get yourself a supermarket carrier bag or plastic disposable bag. Turn it on and just gently apply it, and it completely cleans the disc. Amazing. As long as you haven't left it too long and it's burnt into the disc, you can just now carry on sanding and then clean it off, carry on sanding. I would normally have the extractor running as well, by the way. So there you go. Nice little tip.